Is it perplexing to decipher whether a divorce or annulment can put an end to your Canadian sponsorship undertaking? Well, you're not alone. The world of immigration law can be a labyrinth, but fear not, we're here to illuminate the path for you. Firstly, we'll delve into the nitty-gritty of what a sponsorship undertaking actually is. It's a legally binding agreement that a sponsor makes with the Canadian government. The sponsor promises to provide financial support for their spouse or partner for a certain period of time. This period can span 3 to 20 years, depending on several factors such as the relationship to the sponsored person or their age. Now you might be wondering, what happens if my marriage or partnership ends in divorce or annulment? Here's the thing. A divorce or annulment doesn't automatically terminate your sponsorship undertaking. That might sound astonishing, but it's the reality. The reason being, the undertaking is a commitment to the Canadian government, not to the person you're sponsoring. So, even if your relationship ends, you're still financially responsible for the person you sponsored. This is because the Canadian government wants to ensure that newcomers won't need to rely on social assistance. However, there are certain circumstances where the sponsorship undertaking can be cancelled. For example, if the person being sponsored becomes a Canadian citizen or if they have been working in Canada for at least 1 year. In conclusion, it's crucial to understand that a divorce or annulment won't automatically end your sponsorship undertaking. The obligation to the Canadian government continues until the end of the undertaking period or until one of the exceptions applies. So, the next time you find yourself entangled in the intricacies of immigration law, remember, each situation is unique. It's always advisable to seek legal advice to understand your obligations and rights fully. This has been a brief guide to the Canadian sponsorship undertaking. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your legal responsibilities can make your journey through the immigration process a little less daunting.